Okay, hi Jimwa. All Super 7, my name is Jobel Batulan Suico. Your fan, number one fan in Super 7 and also see Brian Dumani. And also, I would like to message you too, because we are here in Philippines many I think many fans of Super 7. And also I am the number one fan of Super 7 because I made this video because I would like to I would like to see you here in Philippines that many fans to you. And also BD, Brian Dumani. Okay, Brian Dumani, this is my idol. Brian Dumani. Okay, this is my praise for you. I'm Super 7. This is for you, Super 7. This is for you, Super 7. This is the notebook of Super 7. Okay. First is okay. Wait for a while. Okay, for you, Bagas. This is for you, Bagas. Ano kukunin ito? This is for you, Bagas. For you, Bagas. Next is Ryan. The Super 7. This is the Super 7. Next is Raza. Next is Jose. Next is, this is my number one idol, Brian Manny, Easy. Next is Ariel. Many fans in Ariel here in Philippines or Nangka National High School. And also, the fans of Easy is Hannah.
Hello! Hi! No, Karil!
Karil, yeah.
Karil!
Okay, this is the fans of Hannah. This is Karil.
Yes, Karil!
Okay, message to you, Hannah, for Karil. Like, camera.
Hi, Karil!
This is
I don't think...
okay. And next is for you, Brian. The money is your fan is Miss Tura. Okay. Oh, lovely. Okay, this is lovely. Friends to you, BD, Brian the money. This is Frank. Okay. Go. Message to BD.
Hi, Didi. I'm your number one fan here in Philippines. And I wish somebody that you might visit here. Makati, ako tita ka mo.
Okay, thank you. That is for you, Super 7. We are the fans of Super
7!
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Last message, Hannah, to Karil.
Hi, Karil.
Wearing smile.
I hope when you watch this video, I hope you're wearing your perfect smile. I'm Hannah. I am here in the Philippines, and I hope you will visit here.
Okay, we hope you visit here all Super 7. Thank you. Mama, ako sinta kamu.